Large function in Excel. Best formula to find out positions first, second, third, and so on. Large function returns the k largest value in a data set. You can use this function to select a value based on its relative standing. For example, you can use large to return the highest, runner-up, or third-place score. There are two arguments, array, and k. The array or range of data for which you want to determine the k largest value, k means the position from the largest in the array or cell range of data to return. In following cases, large formula shows number error. If array is empty, large returns the number error. If k less than or equal to 0 or if k is greater than the number of data points, large returns the number error. If n is the number of data points in a range, then large array 1 returns the largest value, and large array n returns the smallest value. Here we have range of numbers. Now applying large formula, to find out largest number in range, called first position. By input total count of number in k, we found lowest number in range. Now put 2 in k argument, to find out second position. Then put 3 in k argument, to find out third position. In the same way, if you want to find fourth position, put 4 in k argument. Large formula is used to find out maximum value in list, and also found second, third, fourth maximum value, and so on. Must like and share, also don't forget to subscribe.